Hey, and welcome back to the Mechanical Owl channel. We are doing a wood burning stove review. This is a tent stove, camping stove, ambiance stove, tabletop stove, what have you. It is a nice little stove. I did buy it on Amazon for $123 at the time. It is today on special. I noticed I'm doing this video on Black Friday for $99. So killer deal, but if you're watching this video, you're probably not watching it on Black Friday because I'm not releasing it today. Anyway, this is a nice little stove. It's got a little front window on it. This is where you put your standpipe, you know, what have you. And these little pieces here are for a pot, so you can use this scenario to cook and boil some water. I did find this version, almost the exact same stove, on Amazon for $64. So if you don't need the standpipe with the smokestack, then you can get this version down to $64, which I thought was a killer deal. So again, I think it looks great. The dimensions are, you know, again, it's on the small side. So it's 7.5 tall, 7.7 wide, 9.6 tall with the first smokestack on it for the cooking. And then it goes up to 77 inches with the taller smokestack with the spark arrestor on top, and it also does have some tie downs. So if you're putting it in a tent or in a windy situation, you can tie it down. Inside, you know, it's very nice. It's got the little grate inside, so it gives you a little lift and also some airflow under there. I like to use these little hay bales that I get at Walmart. They're like $5 or $6 for a box of them, so it's great to start fires with, and it's eco-friendly as well. So I had some project wood, some pallet wood that I got. You can use dry sticks, leaves, whatever to get it going. Again, you're not going to be putting big logs in this little stove. It's not meant for that, and or you'll just suffocate it out with the big material logs in there. So start with some small kindling, small pieces of wood, sticks, whatever, and then build from there as you get going. So it's a nice ambiance once it gets going. It's, you know, puts off some nice flames as long as you got your wood in there correct. You will get a little bit of smoke coming initially from the exterior. It's just kind of burn off from the machining process, as well as just kind of heating up the paint and burning off any excess, again, some manufacturing oils and stuff that might have been on there. So don't stand too close. You probably don't want to breathe it, but it'll burn off in a few minutes once the fire gets hot enough. So as you can see here, I just got some twigs and some pallet wood in there, and it's burning nice, getting down to some nice coals and putting off some good heat. So again, once it starts kind of burning down, you've got some nice hot coals on the base. You can go ahead and add some more material. You can do it through the front door or through the top. Again, you will get a little bit of ash coming out the bottom. Again, this does not have any damper control on it. Everything that is vented is just open all the time, so you really don't have the ability to shut a damper and kind of kill the fire down. You know, again, it's not a very big stove, so you're probably not going to have any huge ragers going on inside there, so it does burn down pretty quickly. So all in all, I do really like this little stove. It's really cool. It's going to come with me on camping trips, and probably will stay here in my barbecue shack as well, just for a little ambiance. You know, it seems to fit in perfectly with the surroundings. So if you're looking for, you know, just something to put off a little bit of heat, have a little bit of a fire ambiance going in the background, just to kind of keep things chill and warm, this is definitely a cool little stove. And if you could pick one up, it's a good deal for $100. Check the description below. Hopefully it'll be on Amazon for a little bit of time. I know sometimes these no brand stoves don't stay on too long, but again, this one's really cool, and if you can get your hands on one, I would suggest it, because I think it's worth the right around $100 mark. So thanks again for checking out the Mechanical Owl channel. We look to put out more videos here shortly. Like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.